We guide you through how to add a clickable link to your Instagram bio so visitor can easily access your website, shop, or other social platforms. First thing you need to do is open the Instagram app on your phone and go straight to your profile page. Next, tap Edit Profile, then select the links option located under your bio section. Tap Add External Link and carefully enter the full URL, including HTTPS, to make sure the link works correctly. You can also add a custom title so people know exactly where the link leads. Once you are done, tap Done or Save, and the link will instantly appear in your bio as clickable button. You can add multiple links, rearrange their order, or remove them at any time, making this the official and safest way to manage links in your Instagram bio in 2026 without relying on third party link tools.